Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the console and account ready. Connect your Xbox to a reliable network, wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so telemetry and assets stream smoothly. Sign in with the profile you use for the SIM and enable any developer or insider toggles the dashboard requests. Those let advanced panels and overlays appear. Once done, launch the SIM Dashboard app from My Games and Apps and accept permissions. This gets the dashboard talking to the simulator and prepares the next configuration steps. Now you configure the interactive parts. Open controls to map your controller, HOTAs, or pedals, assign critical axes and buttons, then save a named preset so you can revert instantly. Next, enable the instrument panels and pop-outs you need, adding external telemetry sources if you use a PC companion or mobile app. That lets you distribute workload off the console. Make sure to set refresh rate and units and lower overlay opacity where necessary, because tidy visuals reduce distraction and improve situation. Finish by performing a short test session. Taxi, take off, and use a few instruments to confirm mappings and telemetry accuracy. Save your final configuration as a preset and export, or back it up to cloud storage so you can restore it after updates. If something goes wrong, panels unresponsive or laggy, first check your network, then reduce dashboard refresh rate and overlay complexity. If problems persist, restart the SIM Dashboard app. That clears temporary state and usually restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.